Communal tensions broke out in South 24 Parganas, and this is a reported incident with regard to temple vandalism. What happened was a Tulsi Manch was erected at a spot where a fruit seller used to sell fruits, mangoes, we were told. In a latest incident, though, a man is seen smashing that Tulsi plant, which is highly regarded, respected, worshipped by many members of the Hindu community. What led to that, we are not yet sure. This happened near a Shiv temple in Rabindranagar. This was one of the events that triggered a communal clash then between two groups. And when I say communal clash, stones were pelted, vehicles were set ablaze, cops were attacked. Police force had to be deployed in the area. Situation was then brought under control. About 40 people have been arrested so far. All of this caught on camera. This is the CCTV footage. Curfew has been imposed in certain parts to curb the rioters. BJP has jumped on this as opposition. They are saying there's complete lawlessness in the state. Hindus are under consistent attack. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is completely silent, is what the BJP is saying, because she has a vote bank politics to take care of. Suvendu Adhikari, the LOP of the assembly, has written to the police and seeking permission to hit the riot-hit area. Countering the charges, Trinamool Congress has also responded and said some people are deliberately spreading a conspiracy against the state. Incident is being communalized. She's saying the TMC is saying that there is nothing communal about it, but on the ground, eyewitnesses say otherwise.
After Wednesday's mayhem in Maheshtala area, today situation remains to be calm, though still there is a sense of fear in the area. I'll show you these shops are completely shut. Some of these shops were vandalized yesterday, and it's very clear the way the hoardings have been turned down and bricks were pelted in these shops. Section 144 of the CRPC and 163 of the BNS is imposed in the area. Police patrolling going on and continuous miking is going on in order to keep the crowd or mob away from these affected areas. Here are some local residents. As you can see, some had sustained grievous injuries yesterday as they were narrating their ordeal yesterday. If I can go across to them, what is your name?
राकेश साहब.
What did happen yesterday and how did you sustain this injury?
सर हिंदी में बोलिए ना.
हाँ बोलिए हिंदी में.
सर मैं यहाँ पे ब्रंच इटालियन में काम करता हूँ. ठीक है. अचानक से आया, बहुत सारे लोग हमला किया गया था. ठीक है. तो दुकान पे आया, दुकान पे तोड़ भांग किया है मुस्लिम लोग. ठीक है. तोड़ भांग किया है. लेडीज़ लोग भी थी, लेडीज़ लोग को भी मारा गया है. ठीक है. ये देखिए लेडीज़ लोग यहाँ पे हैं. ये लोग मारा गया है. ये लोग को भी हाथ उठाया गया है. ऊपर से सर जितना भी सामान बाहर में सब तोड़ा फोड़ा गया है. ऊपर से मेरा माथा फोड़ दिया है.
Overall situation is calm at the moment and police have ensured that the situation doesn't spiral out of control any further. More than 30 people have been arrested in Kolkata. See, the patrolling and senior police officials are going around in the place. It's a kind of a confidence building measure that's going around here. And shops, only a handful of shops have opened this morning, but still the sense of fear remains in the hearts and minds of the people here in Maheshtala. With video journalist Orko Ghosh, this is Tapu Gupta for India Today in Kolkata.
পুলিশের ভূমিকা তো আপনারা দেখতে পেয়েছেন। আমরা বরাবরই বলেছি মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায় ভোট ব্যাংকের জন্য এই সাম্প্রদায়িক শক্তির সামনে আত্মসমর্পণ করেছে, এই জামাতপন্থী শক্তির সামনে আত্মসমর্পণ করেছে। যেখানে পুলিশকে পিটিয়ে ভিড়কে সরাতে হতো সেখানে পুলিশরা সাদা রুমাল দেখাচ্ছে। এইভাবে দাঙ্গা আটকানো যায় করুন না। আবার হিন্দুদের বাড়ি ঘর ধর্মীয় স্থান সব নষ্ট হয়েছে। এইভাবে রাজ্যটাকে বাংলাদেশ বানানোর চক্রান্ত মুখ্যমন্ত্রী এবং তৃণমূল কংগ্রেস করছে। এবং পুলিশ যেভাবে মার খেয়েছে, পুলিশের মা বউদেরকে স্ত্রী মাকে গালি খেতে হচ্ছে, পুলিশকে মার খেতে হচ্ছে, পুলিশের মাথা ফাটছে, এরপরে পুলিশের আত্মবিশ্বাস বলে কিছু থাকবে? একটা অপদার্থ এসপি, সেই এসপি বসে আছে, এসডিপিও এবং আইসি যাদেরকে বসিয়ে রাখা হয়েছে অপদার্থ, তারা এই কাজ করছে।
Hindus are tortured. The Maheshtala, Metiaburuj, Rabindranagar police area. The Hindus are tortured. Hindu shops and houses looted. And police also injured. Several police personnel injured. Multiple number of cars vandalized. But police did not work. They should deploy paramilitary forces to save the police forces and Hindu.
एक स्ट्रे इंसिडेंट है, इसका साथ ओवरऑल लॉ एंड ऑर्डर का कोई ताल्लुक नहीं है। तो देखिए कोई इलाका में, कोई क्लब में आपस में थोड़ा होता है, जो हुआ है अनफॉर्चुनेट है, हम लोग सब कंडेम कर रहा है, पुलिस देख रहा है, पुलिस भी इंजर्ड हुआ है, लेकिन पुलिस बहुत रिस्पॉन्सिबल बिहेव। एक सिचुएशन है, अनवांटेड सिचुएशन है, तो वो ठीक कर रहा है। उस टाइम में प्रोवोक करना, उस टाइम में सीन क्रिएट करना, ये तो ठीक नहीं है। तो पुलिस कम कर रहा है वहां पर।
পুলিশ পুলিশের কাজ করবে। আমাদের এই বাংলায় হিংসার কোনো জায়গা নেই। বাংলা কখনোই গুজরাট হবে না। এখানে আমরা শান্তিপূর্ণভাবে ছিলাম, আছি, থাকবো। বিজেপি কি বললো সেটা নিয়ে কিছু আসে না, কারণ এরা নিজেরা সন্ত্রাসবাদী, এরা নিজেরা অশান্তি করে, এরা নিজেরা ধর্মীয় উস্কানি দিয়ে মানুষে মানুষে ভেদাভেদ সৃষ্টি করে।
Let's go on the ground because my colleague Tapas Sen Gupta is joining me now for the latest from the location. Tapas, good morning. What are you looking at as the situation on the ground around you, and what is the police saying? What are the people saying, importantly?
Well, good morning, Pooja. Situation here in Mahestala remains to be calm, but there is a sense of fear within the hearts and minds of the people at the moment. I'm standing just right outside the Rabindranagar police station, and this is the epicenter where it from all started. And today, you can see that the roads are also desolate. Few of shops only have opened. If I can take you to other side, section 144 of the CRPC is imposed in this area, and people in very less have come out of their houses. Here are some people. These area have been completely vandalized. अगर हम आपसे बात करें, आपका नाम क्या है?
मंतोष पाठक नाम है मेरा।
कल यहाँ पर जब घटना हो रही थी, आप वहाँ पर मौजूद थे?
जी, हम तो आए यहाँ इलाज कराने के लिए आरती में, तो देखिए यहाँ दुकान तोड़फाड़ हुआ है, केक फेक तो बाहर में है। हाँ, तो ऐसे ही बात विचार हो रहा था। इधर से लोग कुछ आ गए, कुछ लोग इधर से आ गए, पूरा पत्थरबाजी ईटाबाजी होने लगा। उसमें हमको भी चोट लगा, हम तो जाके छुप गए अंदर में। यही
पुलिस कहाँ थे उस समय?
पुलिस एक दो लोग आए, वो लोग भी मार खाए, लोग को भी ईटा पत्थर लगा। फिर कुछ देर के बाद, जब केस ठंडा हो गया हल्का फुल्का, तब पुलिस आया। लोग 2 पुलिस लोग आए थे उस समय।
तो अभी स्थिति कैसा है यहाँ पे लग रहा है?
अभी मोटा मोटी तो कर्फ्यू लागू है, स्थिति कंट्रोल में है।
Well, as you heard that he even sustained injuries, and these are the bricks and stones scattered around this place, which were used to pelt in these shops. These shops have been completely vandalized. You can see this is a cake shop which was vandalized. Inside, the mob entered inside this shop and looted the shop. And today, all these shops, this diagnostic center remains to be shut down completely. There's a sense of fear within the hearts and minds of the people, but heavy police posting have been done. 40 people have been arrested so far, and as we speak, raids are ongoing, and police have given us a statement that whosoever is responsible for creating this ruckus will be taken to task. And we have been given to understand that Superintendent of Police of Diamond Harbour District is likely to hold a press conference shortly, and he will elaborate on the exact incident, that what triggered yesterday and how many people have been arrested. But officially, 40 people have been arrested so far.
Okay.
But on the other hand, it's a day of political drama as far as Bengal is concerned. The leader of opposition, Shubhendu Adhikari, is all set to reach here. The BJP state president is all set to reach here, but sources say that they will not be allowed by police since section 163 of the BNS is imposed. Now it remains to be seen what happens in the state assembly. The session is ongoing, and BJP have made it very clear that they will raise this issue in the state assembly and seeking answer from the state government.